Assalamu alaikum. Today's story is about Prophet Muhammad's early life. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 6 years old when he became an orphan. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib took him under his care. 2 years later, Abdul Muttalib fell sick, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tended him faithfully. He was 8 years old when his grandfather died. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then adopted by his uncle Abu Talib and became part of Abu Talib's larger family. From the age of 8 till the age of 25, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived at the house of his uncle. Abu Talib took great care in Prophet Muhammad's upbringing, and he remained his greatest helper and supporter. When Prophet Muhammad was 12 years old, Abu Talib was preparing a trade caravan to Syria. Though still a child, Prophet Muhammad showed great interest in visiting Syria. Seeing his curiosity and enthusiasm, Abu Talib took Prophet Muhammad to Syria. It was an important experience for the young boy. In the early years of his youth, Prophet Muhammad would take the herds of sheep and goats belonging to the people of Mecca to the countryside to graze. Muhammad worked as a shepherd. The Meccans would pay him for this service. In this way, Prophet Muhammad started earning at a young age. Later, Prophet Muhammad told his companions that every prophet who had ever lived on the earth had worked as a shepherd. When a person goes out into the forest and fields with herds of cattle and sheep, they come close to the nature. There they think about creation, the vast mountains, the world's natural beauty. The open sky inspire them to come closer to the Creator. Prophet Muhammad started receiving inspiration from Allah in this way, and it helped his spiritual growth and uplift. Muhammad took the sheep and goats outside Mecca to graze for hours and hours. There he would immerse himself in thought about the creation and the purpose of life. He would think about the Creator, the existence of man, and the life beyond. When Prophet Muhammad was about 20 years old, a group was formed in Mecca to help poor and oppressed people. Hilful Fudul, or the Alliance of Fudul, was the group's name, and Prophet Muhammad was a member. As Prophet Muhammad grew up and attained maturity, he became known as honest and hardworking. For these qualities, Khadija bint Khalid hired Prophet Muhammad to take her goods to Syria to sell in the trade markets there. The end. Hope you have enjoyed the story like I did. Allah Hafiz.